Hi guys, in this video I am demonstrating about the Mendeley installation as well as citation and referencing techniques using the Mendeley. First of all, download the Mendeley desktop from the Google. You can click here. Then you can see the Mendeley software here. Then you can download the Mendeley for the window. Then Mendeley is downloading. After that, you can see your downloaded Mendeley in the downloads. Then you can click here. Then click yes. Next. I agree. Next. Install. Then the Mendeley software is installing. And click the finish button. Now, if you already have the Mendeley in your email, or if you already registered the Mendeley, you can just type your email ID and password. And if you are using the Mendeley first time, then you should register. Then type your email ID here. For example, I am typing the adhakarikopila@gmail.com. Then press the continue button. Then write your name here. For example, the KOPILA and the ADHIKARI, and give the password. Then the register. Click here. Then see your inbox. The Mendeley sent the email. For example, I am opening the email ID. Here is the Alsbayer send the confirmation email. Then if you click here, then confirm the email. Then we can continue the Mendeley. Then current role, you can select here some roles. For example, I am the master student. Field of study, for example, I am the student of the agriculture and biological science. Then continue to the Mendeley. Close everything and open the Mendeley. Here you can type your email ID. Then type here your passport. Then click the stay signed in and sign in button. You can see here. And you should install the Citation plugin for Microsoft Word. Then you can click here. It is already installed. Now reference manager is already installed. Then you can just close this. And you should import some articles here or some documents here. Just click the add button. Then I can add the article. Here, this article. Then I can see here the article. If we see here is the type, the journal article. Then this is the journal Ecology and Evolution. Here are the authors, the year of the publication, volume, issue, page numbers. Then we can cite this paper in the Word file. Here in this paper we can find the red panda is facing the anthropogenic impact, facing the anthropogenic impact. Then I can cite. Here we can choose the citation format. Then we can cite here, go to Mendeley, click here and click the cite. Then it is cited. Now we can also manage the bibliography. Friends, then you can go here, insert the bibliography. Then if you click here, then the bibliography is here. If you want change the citation format, you can easily change. For example, if you want cite in the biological conservation format of biological conservation, if you can select here, it is easily changed. And you can use the Mendeley in this way for your scientific writing. Thank you.